Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I am here with the 26th edition of the hashtag Jelly Postcard Play put on by Ceri the Crafter. So this is our little postcard for the 26th of July. It's got some fun things on that side, but here is the jelly print we're going to use. So we're going to just jump right in and get this one done. Hope you're all having a good day. Hope the weather's nice and you're doing summer things. Let's just get this down. Okay. Then I've got this old sewing machine. I think I'm going to put right there. Okay, let's put this down first. This little ticket. I'm going to put that there, like so. Should get out my distress ink. I'm just going to go around these flowers a little bit. They've got a bit of white on the edge from being cut out. Okay. And then how was I thinking of doing this? Oh, I was thinking of having this kind of bridge the two, if you will. Okay. These are a bit of heavier cardstock, and I don't want to eat my glue stick. Okay. And we're going to put that there. And then maybe there, I'm going to put that over a little bit. Excuse me. Put this over a bit. Like that. Yeah. And then the roses. Okay. And then these kind of in the corner-ish. Okay, there we go for July 26th. So thanks for watching, everybody. Oh, sorry, that's really in your face, isn't it? Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a grateful day. Be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.